All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of cryptocurrency news from all the corners of the world, from everything from what's going on in Bitcoin to Ethereum to Dogecoin to cryptocurrency mining. If you're a miner and you're actually getting into mining, we also talk about that. Today's we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency paying taxes on your cryptocurrency, what you're buying, what you're selling, and also, if you're a cryptocurrency miner, so this actually pertains to the miners out there that are actually mining and stuff. Are we going to get taxed? Are we not going to get taxed? How are you paying the tax? We're going to find all that out. If you're new to the channel, thank you for checking us out today. Go ahead and hit the like button below. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get subscribed to our channel. Hit the bell icon over at the end so you can get notified of all our upcoming videos so you get up-to-date news on cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and get started and dig in. So here's what MarketWatch has to say. What's new crypto tax rules would mean for the average investor and miner, crypto miners. The cryptocurrency industry was very caught off guard last week when it revealed that the Senate bipartisan infraction bill anticipated raising $28 billion in revenue by adding new reporting requirements that would enable the IRS to collect taxes already owed on capital gains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. The exact text of the bill is still being negotiated, but experts tell MarketWatch that the average cryptocurrency investor who uses exchanges like Coinbase to buy and sell their cryptocurrency assets should expect the IRS to know exactly, take a look at this, to know exactly how much money on their transactions, the bill, how much money they have made if the bill becomes a law. So let us know in the bottom if you think Uncle Sam should know exactly your gains and losses on your cryptocurrency investments. This is going to be big. Under the current law, crypto exchange, they are not required to report any losses and gains realized by their customers and the purchase of the sale of digital assets. But the legislation is being debated in the Senate will change that. Meaning the IRS will know exactly what the taxpayer's cryptocurrency income is. So there's been a lot of dramatic underreporting of Bitcoin gains. So this is kind of where it comes into play. You know, there's all kinds of people that are making money with Bitcoin, making money with Ethereum, and they're not reporting. And Uncle Sam, well, you know how your uncle is. Uncle Sam wants to make sure he gets his little cut. So the one reason that these exchanges aren't required is the reporting says is all the activity for the year. You know, it's very hard. The IRS has been pushing the Congress for more enforcements towards these exchanges of the cryptocurrency. But each exchange will likely be required to do something like some kind of documentation, like a 1099-B. So I don't know if you've ever got a 1099 before, but a 1099-B, they're thinking about that. So we'll see what happens from this. The form, it will tell you your gains and your losses. It's a place that the taxpayer will merely incorporate the figures of their annual tax filing and insert the American paying taxes on their capital gains of the crypto if the bill becomes a law. The crypto industry remains concerned that the draft legislations will make the companies entitled. They are not equipped to report. Most companies aren't equipped to report the gains and losses of these transactions. So there's the tweak right there. If this has passed over the weekend, they're going to have to make provisions to make sure that they can actually report all this stuff. So, I mean, with that being said, if you're buying the cryptocurrency, if you're selling the cryptocurrency, if you're mining the cryptocurrency, you're going to have to pay your taxes. I'm not an accountant. Get back with your tax accountant to find out exactly, and then obviously stay tuned to the channel so we can keep you updated. With that, we're going to go ahead and head over to the top 10, what's going on in the market today. All right, cryptocurrency top 10. I always like to kind of go over the top 10. Obviously, you got your Bitcoin. Here's number one. You got your 24, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin's down about 2%. In the last 7 days, it's down 1.31%. But it's been doing so well, that's expected. Ethereum right now in the last 7 days is actually up 10%. In the last 24 hours, it's down about 4%. Tether is right there at number 3, kind of even. It's there. Binance Coin rounds in number 4. In the last 7 days, it's up about 4%. In the last 24 hours, it's down about 2%. Cardano ADA up about 8% in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, we're up about 4%. XRP comes in at number 6, up about 12% in the last 7 days. 3% down in the last 24 hours. The Dogecoin going to the moon is a little down right now. What's going on with the Doge? It's been hovering right around that 20-cent mark. Right here, it's at 19.7, down about 3% in the last 7 days, down about almost 4% in the last 24 hours. The Doge is always in the news, so it's always in the top 10 for now. Polkadot the other day, if you remember, I was talking about how it was up 45% in the last 7 days. You know, right now it's up about 22% in the last 7 days, and it's actually down about 4% in the last 24 hours. The Uniswap is going to round out the top 10 there at about 15% gain in about the last 7 days. Binance is number 11. Bitcoin Cash. We talked about the Bitcoin Cash the other day. And then there's Bitcoin SV. SV. We made a little mistake and said silver. Correcting ourselves here. Sorry about that. Sometimes I get overstepped, but it's Bitcoin SV. But this was right here. Bitcoin Cash is at number 13. Litecoin is up about 4%. So a lot of good things going on up here. So this is August 3rd, cryptocurrency in the news. Your top 10, bringing you here from Frank's Crypto Corner.